Oh, sorry. In corridors and hallways, there are many situations where person A cannot see person B. So we developed the wide view, flat surface Komy mirror to make the hallway safer and to help prevent this common problem of potential collisions. Komy mirrors are unlike normal mirrors. It projects a wider view like a convex mirror, but with a flat surface. The portion highlighted by the red box is the average viewing area of a conventional mirror. Look at the wide view that the Komy mirror projects. Komy mirrors are ideal for installing in busy hallways and corridors. Unlike convex mirrors that are usually installed near the ceiling, Komy mirrors can be easily installed at eye level. With the wide view reflection, potential accidents can be prevented, and it makes it safe to pass each other. We have a product for wide corridors too. We divided our large mirror into two parts with a wide view in one direction. In this case, we installed each of these mirrors closer to the crossing path and not in the center of the corridor. Komy mirrors come in 3 product sizes: large, small, and one directional. These mirrors are intended for indoor use and are perfect for busy office spaces, commercial or industrial buildings, and hospitals. With Komy mirrors, you will never have to worry about bumping into anyone in your hallways ever again. Komy mirrors are available on Amazon and Grainger. For larger orders, please contact us directly.